Good evening, everyone, and welcome to How to Pursue a Career as a Pharmacy Technician, presented by Ultimate Medical Academy. My name is Caitlin, and I'm the Senior Social Media Specialist here at UMA. Your speaker for today's webinar is Regina Peskin, and she is the Program Director for the Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician Program here at UMA. She began her career at UMA 5 years ago as a secondary instructor. Regina's formal education includes a bachelor's degree in applied business management and a pharmacy technician diploma. Her passion is in the healthcare field, where she can make a difference in students' and patients' lives, and her past work experience in pharmacy includes working in community and large retail chain pharmacies, a long-term care pharmacy where she entered and filled prescriptions, including sterile compounding products, and was promoted to the Purchasing and Inventory Pharmacy Technician Specialist. Regina's most recent experience in a pharmacy was in a veterinary compounding pharmacy, where she believes she found her niche. Additionally, Regina has a background in accounting, sales, and marketing. She spent many of her career working in the advertising industry. She looks forward every day to sharing her knowledge of the ever-expanding pharmacy industry with UMA students. Thanks so much for joining us, Regina. We're so excited to have you.
Thanks, Caitlin. I'm happy to be here to speak about UMA's Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician Program.
Awesome. Well, before we begin, let's go over a quick breakdown of the webinar. Regina will speak for roughly 15 minutes and leave an additional 5 to 10 minutes at the end for the question and answer session. You can send your questions in at any time in the questions box, and we'll collect them and address as many as possible at the end. If you experience any audio issues during the webinar, try exiting out of your current browser and opening up the webinar in a different browser. We also recommend closing out of any other pages and applications to help the platform run as smooth as possible. We also wanted to let you know that you're muted to prevent noise interference during the webinar. So if you have a question, be sure to send it in the questions box, since we are unable to hear you. Last but not least, the webinar is being recorded and will be sent to participants to view shortly after the webinar concludes. Okay, let's begin. Regina, take it away.
Welcome, everyone, to our session on how to pursue a career as a pharmacy technician. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, job outlook for pharmacy technicians is expected to grow 7% from 2018 to 2028, faster than the average for all occupations. So as you can see, it's an exciting time to be in the healthcare field, and especially for pharmacy technicians. But what is a pharmacy technician, and how can someone train to become one? In today's session, we will learn the role of a pharmacy technician, learn about the various types of pharmacy settings, hear about various types of career opportunities for pharmacy technicians, and we will discuss the importance of credentials, such as being licensed or registered in the state in which you live. Then we will discuss what to expect from courses throughout the Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician Program at UMA. Pharmacy technicians have an important role in the pharmacy, assisting pharmacists. Some of the tasks a pharmacy technician may assist with is transcribing and entering prescriptions into a computer database, filling prescriptions, and filing insurance claims. Pharmacy technicians help with administrative tasks in purchasing, receiving, and inventory. Pharmacists depend on pharmacy technicians to communicate with physicians' offices, hospitals, and insurance companies over the phone and in writing emails or fax messages. The role of a pharmacy technician is evolving to encompass more advanced responsibilities, such as medication therapy management, medication reconstitution, and preparation of compounded medications. As technology and automation are ever evolving and improving in pharmacies, pharmacy technicians are working more and more with automated equipment for dispensing and filling medications, as well as inventory management. Now, let's talk about pharmacy technician work settings. Pharmacy technicians may provide direct patient care in settings such as community or retail pharmacies, when patients or customers walk into the pharmacy with prescriptions in hand and communicate face-to-face with pharmacy technicians receiving their prescriptions, filing insurance claims, and filling and dispensing prescriptions while the patient waits. Patients may call into the pharmacy and request refills on prescriptions or ask questions about their medication. Pharmacy technicians may provide indirect patient care in settings such as long-term care, institutional pharmacies such as hospitals, or specialty pharmacies such as compounding or nuclear medication labs. Pharmacy technicians may be responsible for patients' prescription orders, filling and preparing prescriptions, and processing insurance claims while never speaking directly with the patient. Next, let's discuss what you can expect from courses throughout UMA's Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician program. UMA's Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician program prepares students to gain knowledge in the role of a pharmacy technician, including the responsibilities and tasks. Drug names, including brand and generic names, drug classifications, and their therapeutic usage are studied for the top 200 drugs. Body systems and the disease states and drug therapies that affect each body system are reviewed. Students learn state and federal laws and regulations affecting pharmacy practice. Students receive an e-science kit that has materials, ingredients, and equipment for 4 different hands-on experiments to learn proper techniques for compounding, mixing, and preparing medications that may not be available to purchase. Throughout the program, students will enter information into a computer management software system that simulates the one they will find in their externship and in the industry after graduation. These assignments are performed as building blocks to learn all aspects of the prescription filling process. General education courses are provided to build skills that pharmacy technicians will need in their careers, such as critical thinking and problem solving, working with people, patient relations, and interpersonal communications, and English composition. The first course of the program is College Math, to provide a foundation for conversions and concepts to use when learning dosing calculations in later core courses. The last online course is our certification preparation course, where students put it all together and practice taking mock exams for the National Pharmacy Technician Board's exam. Students will work with a certification advisor that will assist with arranging the date and time to sit for the exam shortly after graduation. The Pharmacy Technician Certification Exam, the PTCE, is required in some states prior to attending externships, in other states for employment, and in other states for advanced careers. Though some states may not require it, an employer within that state may still require certification. Lastly, we have a 7-week, 180-hour externship where students are assigned to a real pharmacy to put into practice what they've learned throughout their program. This is also an opportunity to continue learning and get hands-on experience assisting a pharmacist.
Thank you, Regina. Now it's time for the question and answer session. I already see a few questions coming in, so go ahead and make sure to send in your questions now so that Regina can answer them. All right, so first question of the night. How long is the pharmacy technician program?
Great question.
How long
the
is the
program is 18 months.
Okay, awesome. So question number 2. So I saw that there was an externship included in this program. Is the externship paid?
No, it's unpaid. It's part of the program where students can have a hands-on experience prior to graduation.
Okay, great. Next question. Does UMA help with job placement after graduation?
Yes, we have a career team that has over 200 advisors who are dedicated to assist with getting jobs.
Awesome. Okay, so this is the last question we have. So make sure to send in your questions now if you have any, so Regina can answer them. Last question we have is financial aid available for this program?
Our student finance team is the best team to answer your question. You can find their contact number on our website.
Okay, great. So I guess we're going to conclude a little early here since we don't have any more questions coming in. If you still have questions and you don't want to send them in right now, go ahead and please email social@ultimatemedical.edu and we'll connect you with Regina to answer your questions. If you'd like to learn more about UMA's Health Sciences Pharmacy Technician program, please go ahead and register to attend our virtual open house. It's happening tomorrow at 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At the virtual open house, you'll be able to chat with our team and get answers to questions you may have about UMA's programs. So visit the link on the screen to register for the virtual open house. Thank you for spending some time with us tonight, and we hope you have a great rest of your evening. Bye, everyone.
Bye.